What is going on, guys? It's Levi here with Sioux Automotive, and behind me here I got a package. My anniversary with my wife is coming up, and she asked what I wanted. I said I would like some stuff for my RX-7. So she went ahead and she bought something off my wish list. It's right here. I know exactly what it is, but you won't get to know until after I open it. So let's go ahead and get to that right now. So like I said, my lovely wife got this for me for our anniversary, which is coming up. Let me go ahead and get the camera framed ready, and here we go. Now, if you can't tell, the box does have the T3 logo, which is Techno Toy Tuning. They have a lot of stuff for various different vehicles. They just so happen to have some stuff from our RX-7, the FC3S. And they did a really good job of taping this up so that nobody could get inside. They did a really good job. They wrapped this so well that I'm not even opening the box right. Oh. Sweet. They sent a sticker. That's always nice to have. Oh. They sent more than one sticker. Got another one right here. There's the invoice right there. That's what I got. I got some FC3S door cards and some Millstrap door pulls in the black. These are super light. They are made from 0.050 thickness of aluminum. Very lightweight, very durable. I believe it is printed in. I will leave a link in the description below of where you can get these items if you are looking for a pair. And here we have it. It is powder coated in a black wrinkle. You can see right here, they have etched FC3S. And on the other side, they have the T3 logo for Techno Toy Tuning. They were packaged very, very well. They do have cutouts for what I can assume is switches, door handles. This cutout here is more than likely meant for the crank window, if you do have a crank window. This looks like it is the driver's side. And we have the hardware kit. We have the black door pulls. I opted to go with the fabric ones because this is not a daily vehicle. It is my drift project. They're pretty thick. Nice, good material. I think they're going to look nice. And of course we have 4 washers. Don't know exactly what those go to. Then we have the mounting hardware right here. Some more mounting hardware here. Of course, washer. Now, time to open up the passenger side. And here's the passenger side. Same thing. T3 logo right here, Techno Toy Tuning. Right there, FC3S. You can see, very thin material, yet very durable and strong. And it is bent right here at the top. So that way you can slide it right into the door. You don't have to worry about it being off center. It will hang. And they do advertise that you can use all your normal seals for it, so you don't have to worry about having any aftermarket seals or anything like that with water trying to get in and whatnot. And that is everything. So, like I said, those are the door cards, the aluminum door cards for a FC3S RX-7. I think the price was $165, and then it was $10 for the straps. That's for a pair, $165 for the pair, and $10, I believe, for the pair of the door straps. And they do come with all the hardware. So, in another video, I will be installing them on the FC. There's a lot of install videos that I still need to make. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave some criticism down in the comment section. I will greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.